What's the meaning of alertly? Alertly. 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 Alertly.
Alertly is an adverb that describes the manner of being vigilant, watchful, and ready to react quickly. It implies having an acute awareness of one's surroundings and being mentally present in the current situation. When someone is alertly performing a task or standing guard, they are highly attentive, focused, and able to respond instantly to any potential danger or change of circumstances. Alertness can be a valuable trait in many areas of life, such as driving, sports, military operations, and emergency services, where quick reflexes and situational awareness are vital for success.